Hello, welcome. Let me make this big. Hi, we're back. Happy New Year. Hope you've been well. We are. It is 2025. It is the 2nd of January. And I am thinking about what I want to do on Cube. Now, Dan and I have done some talking. We had originally intended on completely remaking it from scratch for Sage, but I think what we're going to do now instead is improve what we've got, because I don't think there's time to completely redo it. So to that end, we're going to get straight into it by adding from disk a cube project, old cube, add project, and then bringing that into change version, continue. And I also want to open with this change version. Got it. Cool. Oh, queue's already open. Yes, it is. Oh, whoops. Cancel. Good. That's fine. So in this is just cube. This is regular cube. Let me show you guys what I'm doing. Getting ahead of myself. And let me turn my music back on. You guys can't hear my music, unfortunately, because I don't want to get copyright. And you guys don't need music. But I will have jams. So, we're here. We're loading. Cube is working. The block placement system works, which is fantastic. It's now in the main thing, which is sick. I really like it. Cool. Some of these projects, yes, for these can be automatically updated. It is recommended to have a backup. Yes, because I do have a backup. So, cube's looking good. Don't save. I don't need any of the changes made to cube. Yep. Hell yeah. Materials in your project were created using an older version of URP. Unity must upgrade them to be compatible. Unity will re-import all of the materials in your project, save the upgraded materials to please. Cool. Interesting. Actually, no. I'm gonna full screen. Visual Studio Code Editor. I don't need the JetBrains IDE. Oh. Yeah, I don't care about Visual Studio Code. Yep. Test framework. I would love to get rid of ProBuilder, but I don't think I can. All right. So first things first, we're going to get a lot of errors. Let's push first, actually. Cool. Cinemachine. Remove unnecessary refactorings in solution. Apply. No, I want to do, instead of this, do find first object of type. Did that work? By type. We are going to have to do a lot of changes to the old, yeah, that's going to make a lot of errors. Find objects by type. No. Find objects of type. Use find objects by type. Huh. Find object by type. No. Yeah. So we don't do this anymore. Transition camera, there's so many errors here. And then camera 5 control, we'll just comment out this whole thing. Camera 6 control, we can also comment all of this out. Still heaps of errors. I should pretty much just comment out this whole script, but yeah, that probably would have been faster. Oh well. Because I've had to turn pretty much everything off. Camera 3. There we go. 0 errors. Perfect. Not 0 errors. That looked like Dan's dodgy code. End sequence, yes. And the title controller as well. Oh my god. Yeah. This is the problem when you start taking apart these systems when you've got end game for realsies, yeah. Like stuff like this that's just all over the place. Hell yeah. Look, it looks really... Ooh. It looks really good. Still, which is great. Our camera is probably a little cooked. Cameras... Yeah. I feel like we're going to be here for a while, fixing up these cameras. Unfortunately, but that's okay. Why is that showing just nothing? Hey, Bob. Oh, g'day, Luke.
How you going?
Yeah, good, mate. Oh. Hey, look, we're back. I don't think it's going to do anything. Yeah. Because, yeah. Yep. And what are you looking at? You're looking at this, which is just a random point. And then camera one's focuses is... Yeah, okay. What's this? Tidal isometric. All right. Let's bring back the title. And instead of this, use Cinemachine camera instead. Did that work? Yes. Do it for all of them. Yes. Cool. And then this. Find objects of type game manager. No, I just want find first object by type. Why does that not work? Oh, because why? Oh. Find first objects by type? No. Find any. Find objects by type. Right. Whereas this does that. Find objects of type. That's deprecated though. Use object.find objects by type, which instead lets you decide whether the results need to be sorted or not. Find objects of type sorts the results by instance, but if you do not need this, using find object sort mode.none is considerably faster. Okay. So what I could do instead is to find objects by type. Can I just do object? Am I stupid? Find. Bye, Pop. Right. Sort mode none. Oh, I see. I don't really understand that. I didn't realize I misspelled it. Find objects by type, game manager. Oh, I see. You do it like this. So you do just straight up object. Huh. And then I don't need this. You just do find objects by type. Interesting. Okay. Then if there's more than one, delete it. Cool. Title controller. Actually, let's save this. And then rename it. Actually, game manager. Find objects will return a list of all objects of that type. Find objects will just find the first. Yes, that's right. There's just a little bit of new syntax with by type instead of type in Unity 6. No singleton instantiation. I'm just checking that this is a singleton. In fact, I probably should be using a singleton, so I don't need to deal with this, but I'm not. Okay, cool. That just worked. But no, singleton design pattern is on the list of things for me to get my head around. Yeah, it's on the list. I've got a tutorial downloaded to do that. Now the question is, with new Cinemachine, camera dot. How do I get Cinemachine basic multi-channel Perlin? How do I... properties. No, not properties. How do I do this again? I go... That's cool. I wonder if get... How do I access? Oh, it's just get component. Why didn't I try that? Duh. Amplitude gain. There's no such thing, you say. Frequency gain, though, that's a thing. There should be amplitude gain as well. Yeah. Cool. You just need to be a get component and an amplitude. There's lots of this. I've seen that a couple times now. I'm very excited to redo all of this. Yep. Thank you, IntelliSense. And then this is fixed update. Oh god, it's there as well. What the fuck? Alright, that's fine. And then how did I do that again? It's find objects by type, sort mode none to array. Because it'll be a list otherwise. So what I want to be doing is find objects by type and then find objects by type mode, find objects sort mode none, and then I don't need the to array because this returns it already. Okay, so there's not much different actually. I just needed to put this in. Oh, hello, Yash. Happy New Year, darling. Hope you've had a good celebration. We are so back. New year, new plans. I'm so excited. I am currently not redoing. I've brought Cube, the old Cube, into Unity 6. So we have fancy new, not all that much actually. Fancy new Cinemachine is the current dilemma. So that has broken. Oh, good. I'm so glad. Unity 6, let's go. No longer beholden to shitty AIE PCs. So, yes. Yes. So, yes. New Cinemachine, which is cool, has, instead of having all the stuff just in this one component, they're broken up into subcomponents, I guess, is what I would call them. But that has thrown a whole bunch of errors. So I am currently going through and tweaking and fixing all those things. / learning the new way of doing things, like find objects by type. And then that would work. I've also been dabbling more in Unreal this week, but need to check out Unity 6. Cool. How's Unreal treating you? Just sort. No. Find object sort mode none. Good, getting used to the layout more and level designing, but making shaders still feels very new, especially different terminologies from Unity. That's super fair. Super fair. I can imagine that'll be a doozy. It's always funny going to a new software and you're just like, what is anything? Yeah. This is the main one. Let's uncomment all the variables that are commented out and fix those first, because these... Oh, they just need the Cinemachine reference using Unity Cinemachine. There we go. Very true, very true. I bought an e-scooter, just fun with Christmas money. So no more oh, interesting. So no more renting beams for me. Use Sin Machine Orbital Follow instead. Okay. I imagine I might redo this one in its entirety, actually. So I'll uncomment it for now. No, I did not say new games. I said I bought an e-scooter, which is fun. So I've been zipping around on that. And that's okay. Yeah, so it's been fun. And then this seems to be okay. Yeah. Have you been watching new Squid Game, Yash? We can leave this, I think. I binged it. Me too. I smashed it out. I was going very well, one episode a day, and then I got up to episode like 3 or 4, and I was like, one more episode. And then at 1 o'clock, I was like, one more episode. And then at 2 o'clock, I was like, one more episode. And then at 3 o'clock, I was like, one more episode. And then I was like, oh my god, that's it? Are you fucking kidding me? They bamboozled me. How can you not with that show? Short season, which was disappointing, but casting was great. I agree. Really good cast. Yeah, I'm very excited to see what they do next season. It's funny. It's the kind of show where I'm like, I was kind of invested in the like characters and their dynamics, but I was like mostly like, what are the games? I was really interested in what the games would be. Yeah. I loved how they like the first game was the same, but all the rest were different. That was very clever. I like that. I like that a lot. The race, yeah. Absolutely fucked. Yeah, that one was cooked. Classic, like, second game being very hard. I think fuck. Yes, exactly. I think it's next year, right? Right. Do you have anything you want to have ahead of Sage for this, or more so polishing? Uh, Kinda. I've made a doc actually. I played through the current demo. I don't know. Yeah, on the 21st. And just took notes of all the little polishy things that I could find. Um, so we'll do that, and then what we're also going to do is in between now and mid Feb, put together documentation for our Oz Screen submission. Um, yeah, so we're going to be going for this. So we need to like incorporate and do a bunch of businessy shit by end of Feb. There is also mid-year if we don't make it, which is tempting. Yeah, which would be really good because like um it'll give us an opportunity to like get all our documentation in order, including a plan for what we're actually going to do. Yeah, I've been worried about this, frankly. I reckon it's going to be a lot to get done in 2 short months, plus Sage stuff. Um, so yeah, today is kind of the first day that I'm working on it, and so yes, but I think the Game Maker's Fund is really well suited to Cube, just because like it's not another FPS or whatever. It's a really unique product, and the playable prototype's really good. Um, yeah, so we need to do all this stuff. So pitch video, which we'll do after Sage, including some Sage footage. The prototype will have just the Sage one. 30 seconds of footage we'll have from the Sage one. Product details, that's easy. The plan's a tricky thing. The outcomes is tricky. The finance and spreadsheets tricky. That's easy. Yeah. So there's like plus like making a company, which would be really cool, but is a fair amount of documentation. Um, yes. Mm. Yeah, it really does feel never ending sometimes. But today I was like I haven't messaged Dan actually. I'm gonna do that right now. Um, but um, yeah, actually getting on the tools is fantastic. As much as this is boring, I do still really love it. Hey, legend. Puddle Duck is typing. My man, I was just thinking it would be good to have a chat soon. Might be able to chat, do a car chat in the car soonish. No stress. Let's have a proper one when you get the chance. What is your week like? Back acupuncture work as of today or tomorrow. Happy to wait until Monday. Yeah. Cool. Get cinema machine component. Land to space. We actually don't need this. That is old. Old. Transition cameras, though. We do need this. And this is going to cause a lot of errors because there's a lot of this shit. Lens. I imagine there's not a lens. There's just lens. File clip plane. They're no longer members. They're just... It's just there. That's sick. They've made it so much more user-friendly, which is very cool. And then Cinemachine framing transposer. This one will have trouble because it's like, that's out of date. Use the new one. Which on camera 2, we have, yeah, position composer. Cinemachine position composer. And I bet it's just that. Oh, I'm a genius. It doesn't have a follow offset though. Interesting. Follow target. Ah, fuck it. We'll worry about camera 5 things later. Yeah. And then we're still missing an end region somewhere. Which to me smells like it's not a thing. No worries, Yash. Region camera 3, yeah, there it is, I think. Yeah. No, there's another one. Ah, it's at the end of update. There we go. Okay. This project currently uses compatibility mode where the render graph API is disabled. Support for this mode will be removed from Unity versions. Migrate existing scriptable render passes to new render passes. Edit project setting graphics render graph. Edit project settings graphics render graph. Render graph compatibility mode. No. Great. Cool. So time 3. Nearly time. And then this still looks like nothing, of course, because title controller doesn't exist. Oh, I've uncommented it at least. But someone doesn't have a reference. Title. No reference. Fully player controller, I bet. No, it should be finding one. What are you not getting? No, stop being maximized. I do not like. Play focused. Well, there's your problem. I don't have a player controller. Why are you not finding the player controller? If title sequence, that's why. Yes, title sequence. That's stupid. Find first object of type game manager. Find player and camera. What? Do I not have a game manager? Oh my dear Daniel. What is this? Why is it like this? Cameras, full-time player cube, title cube, interesting. Shake density, shake intensity. Interesting. These should do this anyway. Oh, no, it's manager. Okay. That should be better. It's still not finding the manager. Find any object by type, no. No. Still not finding the game manager. Interesting. Hmm. Why is that not giving me a space? What? Why? Oh, probably because of this. There we go. Great. No manager. But there totally is one. There totally is one. There should be one. Yeah, it's here. Oh. There we go. That's fine. Yes. I see, and I have to manually assign these, I think. Yep. Cubes. Player cube. Start position. Full time, we'll just leave. And we'll leave all that. Huh. It's not doing the thing. If title sequence, if end title start cube in, else start cube in. Oh. For each title cube in cubes. Are these title cubes? They are. And they've all got collision for some reason. Oh, I guess they can have collision, why not? Interesting. So why in title cubes? Yeah, you have them. That's fine. Ready for player input equals false. Is start is How do I do a breakpoint again? I thought I could just click it. Whatever. Let's just put in a breakpoint here. I think it's F9. Yeah. Oh, it's here. I see. Yep. Cool. So this should immediately break. Should. Yes, great. And then, oh no, it's reloading. Why? I really don't understand. On enable. Maybe. Maybe this should all go in activate. And then, are these cubes? They are there. But then when I press play, they get... What happens? They're just there. Interesting. Oh yeah, true. Title cube. You also need to be in here. Interesting. All right, we're getting somewhere. All right, that'll do for today. I will see you guys later. Bye.